Hello, I saw your email. You mentioned a bell-shaped curve. This last problem in the homework, it's not about a bell-shaped curve. Okay, you mentioned the videos. If you watch the very last video, it's about Chebyshev's inequality. So you may want to go back, rewatch the videos, the very last one. So this does not use the empirical rule. It's not particularly bell-shaped. At one point, the average price of gas was $3.59. Assume the standard deviation per gallon is 7 cents, and use Chebyshev's inequality to answer it. So that's rather key there. So again, you could watch that last video in the section, and I'll help you with part A here. What percentage of the gas stations had within 3 standard deviations? Well, right here's Chebyshev's rule. At least 1 minus 1 over k squared times 100 changes it to percent or within k standard deviations. So part A here, k is 3. So you just put a 3 into this formula here. So it's 1 minus 1 over 3 squared times 100. 3 squared is 9, so it's 1 minus a ninth times 100. 1 minus a ninth, that's 8 ninths times 100. If you put that in the calculator, it's 88.89. They want you to round it to this place here, and they want it in percent. Then 100 multiplied by 100 will do that for you. So they want you to use Chebyshev's rule and not the empirical rule. So by your email, I think you may overlook this particular part of the directions. Hope that helps.